It's time for the Intense 5. Now let's see what made the list. Kevin Hart was trying out a few choice Jamaican words. Apparently his wife was giving him a lesson. Vloggers had a ball with it too. Hilarious. Guess who got back their Canadian visa? Sizzler ready for T-Dot. The 6 is real. Is who upset Poppy? He went on a little rant on Instagram, basically saying that he worked hard to get where he is. Don't badmine him. And it's true, we agree. He really worked hard for true. So Gary Walsh was reassigned after that little fiasco regarding the Benz and the driver who wasn't really the driver. Things that make you go, yeah. And finally holding the spot this week, Coffee and Toots made Obama's summer playlist. Whoa, that's so cool. Big up, guys. That's it for the Intense 5. Remember to follow us at TVJ Intense on Instagram. Up next, Trackstar takes center stage. Intense Soup forward.